We guide you through how to make a timeline in Google Docs so you can visually organize events, project, or historical data. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and decide where you want the timeline to appear. Go to Insert in the top menu and select Drawing, then click plus New in the drawing window. Use the line tool to draw a horizontal line for the base of your timeline. Then next, add a vertical lines or markers along the horizontal line to represent key dates or events. Use the text box tool to label each marker with the corresponding event or date and adjust the font, size, or color for clarity. You can also add shapes, arrows, or icon to make your timeline more visually appealing. Once satisfied, click Save and Close, and the timeline will appear in your document. You can always reopen the drawing to edit, resize, or reposition it. This method allows you to create a clear, professional timeline directly in Google Docs without needing additional software.